So the number one thing that we're doing, since we're on the MT4 platform now, we have to open the chart. So we go right click chart window. It comes as the 1 hour time frame. Just follow these steps. You don't have to understand the stuff, just follow these steps. We zoom in. As you can see, when it's zoomed in, it's showing these bars. So what we have to do is change the chart to Japanese candlesticks. This icon here that says candlesticks. We right click, we click on grid to take out the grid. And now what we have to do is change the color of the candlesticks. We want green and red candlesticks. Bar up is lime, bar down is red, bull candle is green, which is lime, bear candle has to be red. And then we change and we add the period separators to separate the days. Now, the next thing that you see here is that each candlestick represents 1 hour, and we do not trade on the 1 hour time frame. So to change this, you have to go here to M5. Usually it'll be somewhere here. So you go to M5, you click that, and as you can see now, every single candlestick represents 5 minutes. This is the current price movement here. Now the next thing we have to do is add the RSI, so I can actually explain to you how it works. So you click on insert, go to indicators, you go to oscillators, and then you go to relative strength index, as you can see here. Click on that, and the default that comes with the RSI, the default is 14 and it's blue. What we will do, we will change the period, as you saw in the previous video. We're going to change the period to 3, and we're going to make it aqua, blue. And then the levels have to change. First level is 20. The next level is 50. And then you click add for another level. And the next level is 80. They're going to come as a dotted line, the levels, because these are the levels. And here we will make it brown. On the 20, because that's the one at the bottom, we're going to type in oversold. And then on the 80, we type in overbought. Click OK. And here's the RSI. Now, this is how we see that the market is overbought or oversold. As you can see here, this is the overbought line, meaning that the buyers were buying the market and it kept going up till it crossed this line here, which is the overbought line. And when the market goes down, it crossed here at the oversold line. So with the first part of the strategy, which is the RSI, we look for areas that are overbought and areas that are oversold. This can be considered as an area that is overbought. This is considered as an area that's oversold. So long as it touches the top, which is the overbought, or touches the bottom, which is oversold, this can also be considered as oversold. Anything that touches or crosses the line, that is considered as overbought or oversold. A great example of this, if you can see, as I said, the RSI shows dynamic support and resistance. For instance, this is resistance, as in it has touched the top and there's no way that it's going back down. There's no way that it's going back up. This is resistance. The market couldn't get any higher. Here, the market went down, as you can see here on the chart, and this is support. But basically, we do not talk about it in the sense of support and resistance. All we need to know for the strategy is overbought and oversold. We do not need to pay attention to we don't have to pay attention to, we do not have to pay attention to supports and resistance. So yes, as you can see here in the current market, this is overbought. So we're gonna move on to the next video, and I'll check you out there.